This is a video to show you how to use visitors parking permit. So upon your arrival you'll find a few books of the parking permit. So if you have got a car parked in the street and there are restrictions, make sure you use the parking permit. And first of all, what you need is the time that you have parked your car. So for example, at the moment it is 15:36. So you will scratch off the hour, which is free, it is in 12-hour format. Then scratch off the minutes, so it's 36 minutes past 3. So we'll go for 35 minutes past 3 and it is PM. Scratch off PM. Today is Tuesday. Scratch off Tuesday. And it is 23rd of May. So 23rd. And the month is May. Rip off the parking permit and place that in your windscreen, and you'll need one of them for each day for each vehicle.